Let's make a birthday mug cake.
Let's step on the gas. Let's go.
Mixing bowl. 1 egg.
Beat it up.
4 tablespoons all-purpose flour.
Add that in.
2 tablespoons sugar.
Yes, sir.
2 tablespoons melted butter.
Yeah.
Half teaspoon baking powder. Half teaspoon vanilla extract.
Mix well.
Don't forget your sprinkle.
Mix. Cake mug. Give it a good spray.
Add in your cake batter.
Just like so.
Microwave on high for 1.5 minutes.
This looks so gorgeous. Let it cool down and enjoy.
Add on some whipped cream.
More sprinkle.
Wow, this is bossingly bossing.
It's my birthday month, so